Another life, another day. Got things to move today. Sun will be out soon, at least. It's too cold, I can't use my hands today. What's this day? 4 days to go. No, 5 days to go. 7 days down. Mechanic life. Alright. Cool as. We're at it. Fucking hell. Get a bit of fill into you. Or can I get a bit into you?
Oh, that's fucking... oh, it's not there.
Thank you! She's used to it by now. Life as a mechanic. Oh yeah? You better not getting hard on, bro.
Oh, I'm not.
You sure?
Fucking hard neck though. Jesus.
Could have been a physio on my part time.
Oh, you could have been.
Could have been. Oh, still could be.
Still could be.
Still could be.
Your second job.
How do you know it's not it? It was already my third job.
I know, right?
That's what you do. Now you get here and you're like, you're around here like this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Get the reach around while you're there. 18 fucking plus here. Lucky no kids involved. You copy on the hitting. Bender. Always. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, a bit more. In. Yeah. Alright, go up. Yeah, the ball. Out. Straight up. Go straight. Go straight. Straighten up. Straight. Alright. Go a bit more. Bit more up. Bit more in. Go in a little bit more. Alright, go up. Oh yeah, she's heavy. And just give it a push, bro. Push it in. Yeah, it'll go. Go. Turn the steering the other way, bro. Other way. Alright, go in. Yeah, go. Right hand down a little bit. Right hand down. Yeah. Keep going. Go down a little bit. Yeah, go in. Yeah. Bit more. There, bro, all the way. Yeah, pick it up. Alright, tilt back. Yeah, and go up. Yeah, all you, bro. All you, go up, all you. That's what happens when you're gonna move an electric block. Play time. Suck time. Yeah, drive in. Keep going. Bit more. Slow down. Yep. Bit more. Yeah, that's it. Drop it there. Oh yeah, she's heavy. Oh fuck yeah. Keep going. Go up a little bit. Yeah. Bit more. Touch up. Yeah. Tilt forward. Yeah. Go back. Go up. Yeah. Go back. Yeah. Keep going. Tilt forward. Yeah. Go back. $3 or 4.